Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently 5 a.m. in the morning on Monday, the 20. Let me just have a look here. 23rd. I'm starting a little vlog here because this is going to be a chaotic time. You can see here we've got the empty bookcase, and there's a lot of stuff everywhere at the moment because we are currently moving house. So, right now I'm off to the gym, but I want you to join me in basically moving and being chaotic in life, but keeping to commitment to health. Because I've overindulged a little bit lately on this year so far, so looking at getting back onto and staying on top of health and everything else that comes with that. So this is going to be hopefully a weekly little series, and we'll go from there. So here we are at 3:13 p.m. at the clinic. So just been doing some admin for a Heartworks Lomi course. It's going to be running in Orange on the 11th and 13th of Feb. Sending some invoices that have been paid to some people, and yeah, doing quite good. So yep, gym was good. Did a bit of packing, did a little bit of video stuff because I want because of how busy we're going to be moving and stuff, I want to have some videos done. It's not something I'm big into, pre-recording and doing and blah, blah, blah. Because especially too, I will have to get rid of this bit sometime soon. As you can see here too, look at that. I don't have a grey hair on my head, but yeah, I've got a couple of greys in there. But yeah, I'm actually enjoying a lot of the admin side of it, which I didn't think I would. Being creative in that different space, but so as you can see, yeah, because everything's happening. So I've got a couple of forms for people to fill out, got some meditation scripts and whatever else, and details and stuff that I don't show for anybody. But yeah, so far it is all coming together pretty well. So far we've at least got 4 students for Orange and then 1 for Dubbo that are booked in. So they're going ahead, getting another facilitator who I know through High Spirits Retreat to come in, Kim Judah, and it's going to be a good weekend to share with some people. And yeah, that's my day so far, which was very nice to see Amy's dad once again, since they've moved down to Wollongong the end of last year pretty much, and her brother as well, so that was cool to have them come down and catch up with them. Today, got another day of work, got it compacted into from 10 till about 3, so just moving straight through with everything there. And also too, I've got to put in my academic transcript and stuff for my trainer and assessor course that I'm hopefully going to get approved for. And yeah, go from there. But that's about it for this one at the moment. So let's get to the gym because it's about 10 to 5 in the morning. Do a bit of bench press today and get the day started. Okay, so just finished up recording another Reiki video. So this one will come out probably even after this video, who knows. Just putting my shoes on now as I head to work for the morning. So had a pretty good session at the gym. Then been doing what's called a 5-day reset. So people taking you through a bit of breath work. And what is it with health coaches and taking an hour to do a 20-minute thing and talking? And I don't know, to me that's not very engaging because do the technique, do the thing, have a bit of an explanation, sure. But it could be wrapped up in half an hour rather than taking a full hour in my morning where I want to get stuff done because I've got to still pack a lot of stuff and whatever else and get stuff ready. But anyway, that's just what seems to be the thing these days. Anyway, off to work. Okay, so Wednesday morning. I'm getting quite bad at this blogging sort of gig. So I finished off with a bit of an emotionally intensive for the client session yesterday on Tuesday. So yeah, got home and just sort of vegged, did a bit of video work, which will be coming out soon. Probably even before this one, I don't know the schedule of things. But now Wednesday morning, got a pretty full day and a pretty late day as well. So there won't be a whole lot of stuff going on. And then get home, start packing because we move tomorrow. Moving a lot of the bulk stuff and our furniture and stuff. So that will be exciting, frustrating, a bunch of stuff. And yeah, missed the gym this morning because we just slept in. I woke up, my whole body hurt. So, I don't know, there's something going on there, I think. I don't think I'm 100% healthy at the moment. But that could be down to diet and everything else as well. So, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, I might even get there today. And, see that going off? I don't know why, but my deltoid is just... No, stop, good. Having a bit of a twitch. But that's about it so far. So, that is the first load done for our little house. What are we? At 11 o'clock. We've got the first load in and got some pre-trainer left on my upper lip there. Thought, what better way? I don't want a coffee. Because that ain't going to cool me down on a, what are we at? 29 degrees so far, says the car. But anyway, back to it. So we had quite an eventful, I suppose, Australia Day, as you call it. Still got plenty of stuff to keep moving around and whatever else. But we did end up having lunch with Mum, which was good, watching a bit of tennis. While doing that, I recommend the diet and stuff has been up to scratch. Like, yeah, just because we've been moving about and whatever else. Things are a little bit chaotic at the moment because there's just like stuff everywhere. But that's not going to stop me from heading to the gym. And I've got a big day at work today as well. Then who knows, maybe even a little bit more stuff afterwards. Okay, so I have finished work and we are just clearing the last bit of stuff now out of the office. The internet has been switched over. There is my little cosmic healer friend. And yeah, then tomorrow the big push for the big stuff begins. So a couple of these things will be going tonight. Hopefully that and that one. But yeah, other than that, it's going to be a big day tomorrow, but hopefully easy. Hopefully it goes very... Because we're both pretty buggered by the time that we finish this move. But yeah, that'll be about it. Well, what a big day. Here's our new little air conditioning unit. And here's a whole bunch of stuff that still needs to find a place that's outside at the moment. But, giving a little tour of our new place, we have an office, an actual office. Amy's going to work there, I'll be there. And, mind the mess. Here, we're still setting up. So, I'm going to have my stuff in there. But this is going to be a bit of a filming room. It's got clothes and everything else there at the moment. Fridge is in. We're going to have an outdoor fridge. We're going to have an outdoor couch. So a nice little outdoor area, which would be great to entertain. Got a decent looking shower. There's our bedroom. It's still getting set up. And our little media entertainment sort of room. Today was a big one. So moving a lot of stuff. It wasn't that bad because we luckily had some friends with a trailer that could help us out there. And yeah, a lot of it we did with cars and stuff. So it was good that, you know, we moved in the same town. Otherwise it would have been a bit more difficult. Wake up, got a load ready. We went for a bit of a run. Wasn't my greatest run at all. Oh, look. Yeah, I haven't had time to iron much yet. So we're heading out for a friend's birthday party who's, you know, consequently just up the road from us, which is amazing as well. Haven't done my hair yet, but anyway, who cares? That's been our Saturday so far. No work because I dedicated it to moving. Whereas older me would have prioritised work, put work in, I would have worked around it. But yeah, as I'm getting on, it's more geared towards living life rather than working. As much as I love what I do, but you can have too much of a good thing. I'm finding out. Not much else to report. Thursday's move went very well. Then Friday was a full day at work. Yeah, then coming back into it. Anyway, that's this day. And tomorrow we're off to clean the old place. Well, holy crap. So the whole day was pretty well spent cleaning. Did a little bit of unpacking, then went in at about 10 a.m. or so, and it's now just on 8 p.m. So yeah, spent the whole day damn well cleaning. And yeah, wow. Cleaning the old place, getting it all out, being health conscious and everything. Yeah, lots of chemicals used, and now ordering burgers. We had Macca's for lunch, and now we're actually getting like local burgers, which is a bit better, as well as milkshakes, and then back to the new joint and just relax and get ready for work tomorrow, because that's coming up. And yeah, the weekend. So I know, not very exciting video wise, but I mean, not even really that exciting from my point of view either. It's moving house, it's getting to a new bigger place. Once we get set up, it might be exciting, but the whole process is just taking a while, and yeah, business is being put a little bit to the back this week, but hopefully next week we can get straight back into it, because we need to, because we've got a Lomi course coming up, and then a Reiki course after that, so we'll see what comes.